Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Grabe no, ang bilis ng panahon. September na. So, astrologically rin, ang daming planets na retrograde ng September. Magsasabay-sabay sila. So, take care, everyone. So, just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see what's coming to you. Aries, of course, this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makaresonate, pwedeng hindi, no? So, let's see for Aries, September 2023. Courage, o mangangailangan kayo ng lakas ng loob sa September. Baka meron kayong ipaglalaban or meron kayong kailangan panindigan. Whatever this is, relationship, business, career, trabaho, you are encouraged to be brave. Malakas ang loob. Diba? Speaking of, pag malakas ang loob mo, confident ka. Ayan. So, you will have the courage and confidence to face anything ngayong September 2023. So, exciting, diba? Isipin nyo na lang, things are going to be very exciting ngayong September. Let's see, ano pa for Aries. The 10th house, which is your authority. 10th house is about your career, your legacy. So I think you're going to focus on achieving your goals and dreams related sa yung career, sa trabaho mo, sa pinagkakakitaan mo, sa ginagawa mo. I think you're going to dare yourself, no? I-challenge mo yung sarili mo na mas magkaroon ng mas magandang sitwasyon sa buhay, especially sa career mo, kumpara nung nakaraang taon, nung nakaraang buwan. Parang you're gearing towards a new direction related sa yung career. You also have Vesta, which is your hearth. It's like the center of you, no? Ito yung passion mo. So some of you, Aries, you are going to focus on doing the things that you are passionate about. Kung saan ka masaya, kung saan ka nag-e-enjoy, nagawin yun, you will finally have that courage, no, lakas ng loob, to make things happen for you. Okay, let's see what else. Your overall energy for September 2023, mga Aries. You have the 7 of Pentacles. Marami kang efforts na gagawin, especially sa yung career. You may be working so hard or you will also be, parang ipupush mo yung self mo to your limit. But this is requiring your patience kasi baka meron kang maraming expectation sa finances mo, sa career mo, pero hindi mo siya nakukuha. So, maaring maging frustrating yun sa'yo. So, keep calm. Kalmahin mo lang ang sarili mo, no? Kasi darating at darating rin naman yung minamanifest mo or yung resulta na gusto mo as long as you're open to changes and you're open to doing what you should do. Your challenge is, challenge talaga. Medyo maraming makikigulo or maraming makikialam sa mga plano mo. Mahirap dyan kapag hindi mo makokontrol yung emotions mo. Baka mapunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na, compromising or maaring magkaroon ng misunderstanding. But some of you kasi masyadong malakas yung kompetensya, no, sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. So what is your opportunity? Wow. As an opportunity, maganda to kasi this is financial stability, financial independence, having more than what you need. So may opportunity ka na makuha mo yung mga gusto mo ngayong September. Basta focus ka lang sa goal mo. And your blessing is financial stability nga, financial security. And some of you, kung plano nyong mag-save, no, makapag-ipon, ngayong September, malaki yung possibility na makuha niyo ang ipon na yan. Basta, focus lang kayo. Okay? Kailangan nakafocus ka. Keep your eye on the prize. Keep your eye on the prize. What else for Aries? Serving time, being vulnerable, o maging maingat sa mga bibitawan mong salita, ha, kasi baka you might encounter someone na mapipikon ka. Oo. Tapos papaganahin mo yung inis mo. So, iwas na lang sa ganyan. Lalo na maraming naka-retrograde na planets, prone yan sa misunderstanding, miscommunication, alam mo yun. So, be very careful. And then also, you're going to express your truth. Meron ditong, you're going to reclaim your power. Dun sa mga dyan na parang pakiramdam nyo, may kinuha sa inyo na karapatan. So, ipaglalaban nyo yung karapatan nyo. Ayan. Magkakaroon na kayo ng lakas ng loob to finally fight for your right, fight for what you believe in, yung paninindigan sa pinaglalaban mo. Let's see sa iyong money, career, finances. Yan, nagbabago yung perspective mo pagdating sa pera. You are finally seeing the bigger picture in growing your finances. So ngayon, mas focus ka talaga sa pag-iipon ng pera, no? Oo. Siguro dati bahala na kung saan makarating yung pera mo. But for you, you are going to save more kasi alam mo na napaka-importante na meron kang pera. You're going to learn a lot about money. Maaring meron kang i-research na mga kung ano-anong kaalaman tungkol sa kung paano mo mas palalaguin yung pera mo at mas didisiplinahin mo yung sarili mo pagdating sa pera. It's going to be difficult, Aries, no, with the 3 of Swords when it comes to your finances, na kumbaga parang kailangan mo ng disiplina na you might feel hurt about it na may kailangan kang tiisin, pero ganun talaga. Yes, you are saving for a long-term na career, business. So, para naman to sa future mo. So, don't worry about it. Sa love naman, tinan natin, Aries. Codependency, addiction might be a major issue in your love life. So, meron ditong kind of a toxic situation sa relationship ninyo. So, it's time to reassess this situation. Kung masaya ka pa ba sa ganitong klase. Tingnan mo, may 5 of Cups. You have the 6 of Pentacles. I think you are going to focus on ano yung dinideserve mo. Okay? Some of you might be letting go of a codependent relationship. Yes, you are rethinking. Pinag-aaralan, pinag-iisipan mo, is this fair, no? Ito ba yung dinedeserve ko sa relationship? Okay? So if you feel like hindi yun yung dinedeserve mo, you might be walking away from that situation and may babaguhin ka. You're going to change your course. And then let's get your um, this is your self-care card. Self-care message for Aries. Power. Oh, reclaim your power. The ability to suck it up is not a superpower. Saying no is. Own your power. Yes. Hindi ka na magtitiis. Basically, hindi ka na magtitiis sa relationship, sa career, kung saang sitwasyon na meron ka na alam mong hindi mo din deserve. You're going to reclaim your power. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.